nighttime aerial refueling process. Be careful of reduced visibility. 1 mile to tanker. Bank left. Too fast. Lower airspeed. 500 yards. You may approach the refueling tanker. Trigger, maintain your current approach. 100. 50. Excellent work, Trigger. Refueling initiated. Maintain your current position.
Strider 1, you have passed through waypoint 1. No weapons until you reach the enemy base. All aircraft, reduce altitude. We have altitude restrictions from here on out. Keep altitude below 1,900 feet. Good. Maintain your current course.
Caution. Pull up. Caution.
Searchlight up ahead. Watch for it.
Caution. Pull up.
Stay out of their sight.
Caution. Pull
Strider,
up.
NASA's 1. Our current ETA matches yours. We'll catch them off guard. Can we secure the LZ quickly?
We'll get you down safe. I'm worried you're short on men.
Everyone here's already signed their wills.
That ain't funny.
Never was good at jokes.
Caution.
Okay, following wind. Good luck.
Understood.
Strider 1, you've passed through waypoint 2. The valley's about to get narrower. Be careful.
Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up.
When can we take on the final mission? I'm starting to get tired of all this.
This is the last step, Count. We'll take the enemy base and use it as a bridgehead.
Watch yourselves out there.
Pull up.
We're going to need all of you in Farbanti. Without Wiseman here, everybody wants to give orders like they're the company commander himself.
Caution.
And the best thing about Strider Squadron is that our leader keeps his mouth shut.
Caution. Pull up. Caution. Caution. Pull up.
Watch your speed.
Caution.
You've passed waypoint 3. You're coming up on the base, posing radio silence. We won't be able to talk again until you're over the base. Continue to keep an eye on your altitude. There are plenty of dark spots that can sneak up on you.
Caution. Stall warning. Caution. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Caution. Pull up.
You just passed through waypoint 4. Radio silence has been lifted. You're almost at the base.
We made it. That was quite the roller coaster ride.
Visual confirmation on the airbase. Reach destination.
Commence the attack. It's time for their wake-up call. The longer it takes, the worse off we'll be. Hurry up. Finish them off.
All right, let's give them a beating.
Allies down.
air defenses are online. Yes, they finally decided to wake up. Keep up the attack. The sooner we finish this thing, the better.
This is Basilisk 1. We've arrived at the AO. Landing down.
Roger that. If the enemy is still present in large numbers when our ground forces arrive, the mission will be a failure. Go help our allies.
Be quick. Gotta deliver on time or the base is free.
Missile.
Your jokes haven't gotten any better.
Missile.
Bandit behind you.
Missile. Missile.
Strata 1, missile launched. Strata 1, target acquired.
Missile. Missile.
Okay, that takes care of all the SAM sites.
We've lost 30% of our AA guns. Don't fire blindly. Broadcaster, hostiles are still near the LZ. Can't make our approach.
Multiple helicopters spotted. Do you have a visual on them? Strider 1, I need you to take out those enemies in the LZ.
Missile.
Missile inbound! Get me!
Missile.
Attack missed.
Missile.
Warning, bandit!
Missile.
Strider 1, target destroyed.
This is Basilisk 1. Landing down. Trust your allies and keep still. This base is ours for the taking. Wait the base, Commander! What are you waiting for?
Stall warning.
Ally shutdown! We've engaged the enemy reinforcements. Requesting immediate close air support.
Copy that. We'll send some your way.
Pizza guy's in trouble. Let's help him out.
It's all right. Those two Ozian big shots will take care of them for us. That's the last of our NGO guns. They've all been taken out.
Strider Squadron, do it quickly, or we'll lose the element of surprise.
Air support is on its way. Ally shutdown!
Target acquired. Target eliminated. Great work.
Okay, that attack just took out the enemies on the front line. The lay ahead is cleared up. Have our day.
Target down and out. Give me a damage report. We've suffered heavy losses. This is more than a surprise attack.
Stall warning.
Picking up an enemy squadron. It must be the reinforcements they called in.
It's one leader. It's the one with the 3 scratches.
Emergency! See the enemy reinforcements? They're stopping us! We can't do anything about their air power. We need support.
Missile. 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 Missile.
Ambush, stay cool. Reform the ranks. Broadcaster, requesting close air support.
Strider Squadron, enemy reinforcements. Get some goddamn support there now.
Enemy numbers are small. Don't give in. Fight until the very end.
Missile.
This is 2-2. We're stuck. We won't be able to capture the base at this rate.
Missile.
Keep your heads down. 3 strikes will take care of the enemy.
Missile. Missile.
That's it. If we take out those two, we can force our way inside the facility.
Missile. Missile.
He's looking to engage. Watch your back.
Hurry up and break. Behind you.
Missile. Missile.
The enemy's begun its counterattack. Damage to our unit is at 20%.
Keep firing.
We still got 3 enemy fighters left. It's not over yet.
Pull up.
2 remaining.
This one's mine.
Strider 1, missile away. One last enemy fighter.
We're behind them. Don't let them get in the way.
Strider 1, target acquired.
Missile, breaching.
That takes care of that. Nice work. We did it. That's the last of them. We've achieved air superiority.
In gun range. Target's destruction confirmed. That air support was right on the money.
Keep pushing the enemy on their heels.
Okay, start running on the count of 3. Great. I get to finally send my boys in to ring the doorbell.
There's still quite a few enemies holed up in there. However, we can't afford to wait any longer. Begin the assault. If anyone resists, kill them. Contact! 2 o'clock! Go! Go! Fire!
Sarge, tear down that barricade.
How'd it go?
This is Basilisk 1. The base is ours. We have control of all major functions.
Glad the pizza was on time. Roger that, Basilisk 1. Mission accomplished.
All prisoners of war will be treated in accordance with international law. We've even brought pizza. Looks like they can shred those wills.
I'm already getting an earful from the men over the needless paperwork.
No joke.
Okay, go ahead and begin your approach. Go to the flight control.
Roger that.
Strider 1, this is Basilisk. The runway is clear. You have permission to land. The party is on as soon as you get here. Reduce your speed. 2 miles to the runway. Turn left. Lower your nose. You're too high. One mile to the runway. You are right on course. Maintain current heading. Reduce your speed. Impressive, Strider 1. Strider 1 has landed. Let's go and greet him.